Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am feeling a little rusty. I feel like I have not made a video in a little bit. I was, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw I was spring cleaning pretty hardcore for like the last week. And then I got sucked into Handmaid's Tale for about 3 days. I think I binged it for 3 days. And yeah, so I just got, and then also too, I really enjoy just kind of like sitting back and just watching some other videos, some other YouTubers videos. I found some new people as well, which is really cool. I always like when I find new people and I'm like, oh, I don't think I've ever seen, like, how did I not know you made videos or whatever. So if you have a channel and I've never like commented on one of your videos, let me know, because it's probably just because I've never found you. So yeah, let me know. So this is a Sassy Girl Aroma haul. I ordered from her this past restock as well, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with her, like some of the changes that she's made. I went onto her site and I noticed that she carries donuts now, which are super cute. She carries these brittles now that are, I'll show you. I'm impressed with the brittles actually. And then, you know, a large portion of her restocks used to be the big chunky bags, or you know, the, oh, what the hell did she call them, chunk bags, I think was just it. But so the thing with the chunk bags is, you know, those were kind of a bit more costly. So I like that she has some options now so that you can, you know, you don't have to spend a bunch of, as Sasha would say, coin is what I've been saying that for like the last week, thanks to her. Okay, so, but you know what I mean, so that you can actually have some options instead of just having to buy chunk bags all the time, because sometimes you don't want that amount of a scent, you know. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. I think I liked everything except for one thing I got. I was kind of like, what the hell were you thinking? I think I was thinking it was going to smell different, but I can still work with it. So the first thing I got is a 2-pack of flowers in brown sugar and fig type. This one's pretty boring, but I've been wanting to try brown sugar and fig on its own for a while. Oh, I hope the dog isn't getting up. So that's what the donuts look like. They're pretty cute. Like, I just think they're a sweet little addition. So I have, from another vendor, I have a brown sugar and fig and like blackberry type blend. And so I can see where that scent, I can smell the scent note in there now. So now I just wanted to really smell it on its own to see what it was like. It's kind of got, like, I've never had a straight fig, but, or no, actually I have had figs. What am I talking about? When, a long time ago I used to make brownies with, was it figs? Oh gosh, I can't think of what kind of figs they were. But I guess I do kind of smell the fig and a sweetness. It's like an earthy sweet. Pretty good. So I really wanted to try that. I'll review this a little bit better when it warms up, because you know how things change when they warm up, or sometimes, you know, you like things when they're cold and then you don't like them when they're warmed up, or you love them on cold and then you warm up and you're like, oh, what the hell. Okay, the next one, I love this name, the Scrubin Tug. This is lemon, soft florals, citrus, fresh air, cotton blossoms, and soothing sandalwood. This, you know, I love laundry scents, so I had to try this one. Now I do have to be careful though with some laundry. Oh, this one smells like it's going to be pretty good. This one has like a sweetness. I can't do overly floral laundries, so when it says soft floral, sometimes I have to be careful. But this one looked like, I mean, it had lemon, citrus, fresh air, cotton blossoms, and soothing sandalwood. So like all that like is good for me. Oh, this one, yeah, this one's good. It's sweet and it's kind of soft, and you can smell that, like the clean cotton, but it's not like that's, you know how clean cotton sometimes can be really strong. It's not super strong. Ah, okay, yeah, that one's good. I'm sure it's some sort of laundry detergent, but which one, I can't tell you. I've been using the same one, same like two for like the last, I was using Gain for the longest time, and then I switched over to the Method, so I can't even tell you like what some of these are. Okay, a clean Getaway, and this is citrus, softs, florals. I think it's supposed to be soft florals. Amber and Plush Cotton. And then there's the donut. Whoops, let's toss things while we're here. This one smells very similar to that other one, except it's not quite as, like, the cotton, like the clean cotton is not as prevalent in here. Well, I don't think there's any clean cotton in there. Well, it says Plush Cotton. It's a little different. Yeah, I like the other one a little bit better. This one's still good. Doesn't smell too floral, so. I don't smell any citrus in here, though. Have I had a clean Getaway before? You know, it's hard to keep up with her laundries because she's been pouring a lot of laundry lately. Like, if you go on any one of her, like, restocks, she's always got a mess of laundries. Okay, the next one I have is pretzels. I've had a few of her pretzel blends, but I don't know that I've had straight pretzel. So this is a soft, chewy bread dough baked to perfection, and pretzel smells freaking amazing. So there's that. Oh, this one. I mean, it is like, literally, like, I feel like I could eat this. And mixed with things. I think I got a few blends that she mixed with the pretzel. So, so good. Oh, this is like a pretzel. Yummy. Like the doughy, good pretzel. Like, yum. I could see so many blends with pretzel happening. I can see like cinnamon sugar happening. I can see just all kinds of things. Okay. Oh, this is a repeat purchase for me. This is Sit and Spin. Now these are her, I can't think of what they're called. Breakaway bars, brittles, something. These are thick and they are sturdy. I get another breakaway bar from another vendor and they literally like break so easy. These ones are much more firm. I did have one break, but I think that was my own fault. But in the mail, they do not break. Everything was wrapped really well too by her. So this one I had before. This is soft floral, tropical paradise, fruits, sweet lavender, sandalwood, vanilla, fresh rain. So this one I had in a clamshell that I did in my last warm review. And I was like, when you heat this thing up, like it opens up, like everything. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like as soon as it warmed up, all these like different notes started coming out. And I mean, the scent just like, when I say open up, I mean like you were getting a lot of different scent notes and it was really, really pretty. So it was like totally different than on cold. I mean, it was still good. It still smelled similar, but it's just, it was so good. You can really kind of smell the fruity in here, but you also smell laundry, not too floral. I don't know if I can smell lavender, but this one is, excuse me, one of my favorites. So Sit and Spin, when I saw that on the restock list, I was like, sign me up. So let's move that back. Okay, this next one is Carry On Cowboy. And this is Coffee Shop Latte, Cookie Monster, Sunflake Sweet, Whipped Cream. And I love the colors that she does on these. I mean, I don't know, I just think they're little like works of art. Not that it matters because you're just gonna warm them anyways, but oh, this one is good. You guys know I love her coffee shop or her lattes. And then it's got Cookie Monster and then like whipped cream, so. And it's basically just like a sweet coffee scent. I'm not really getting too much Cookie Monster right now. Or maybe I am and I just don't realize it, but it's mostly just a sweet coffee, bakery coffee. I know some people, I have talked to some people because I know I raved about her lattes, like her sugar cookie latte. And I know a few people like ordered or had commented back that they had ordered, I guess maybe because I raved about them, I'm not sure. But some people were saying that it was just too sweet for them. So if you don't like super sweet coffees, I might stay away from like her coffee shops that are like the bakery and let's say they have added stuff in because you probably won't like them. This one is super pretty. Okay, this is the one that I'm not sure about, but look at those colors. So this is Reservation, and this is the one that I don't know what the hell I was thinking. This is Caribbean Clean Breeze and Coconut. Now I thought for some reason the Clean Breeze would be like a laundry-ish type scent. And oh, it is heavy on that coconut. I'll say that. I mean, it's kind of got a clean smell to it, but it's a lot of coconut. It smells, you know what, it kind of reminds me of that scent from Scentsy, Skinny Dippin' a little bit. Like it's kind of got that like tropical thing going on with the coconut. What was that other one from Scentsy too that I'm thinking of? Was it like coconut palm or? No, I can't remember now. I don't know, it's definitely got a lot of coconut in it. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I'm sure there's some way I can mix it up. Maybe with a laundry that's too floral or something for me, I might be able to like work that in the mix. I don't know. Okay, the next one I got is a Rambler, and this is Pretzel Waffle Cone. And this one, I find that I am loving waffle cone right now, so I went ahead and I went for it. Oh, and this one is good too. You get a lot of the pretzel right off. And I remember when I first smelled this, you can smell that sweetness of the waffle cone in there, so it just kind of like takes down that pretzel just a little bit, but it's still very pretzel-y. So I could use a little bit more waffle cone in that. It might come out a little bit better on warm, but I like that. Yeah, so every time I pick these up, like these guys are dense. So this is the only one that broke for me, and so you can kind of see how like thick it is. But I mean, these things are pretty hard. Okay, Pretzel Bakery, which is caramel pretzels, ice cream scoop bread, sugar cookie dough, and zucchini. You can tell I was all about the coffee and the pretzel. Oh, and this one, yeah, this one's real good. This is, you get the pretzel, of course, but it's kind of toned down a little bit because you can smell the caramel. The caramel's pretty, not heavy, too heavy. This one, when I first smelled it, I was like, yes, because all like the bakery components just really smelled nice in there. This one's a lighter pretzel. If you're just kind of diving into pretzel and you're not 100% sure if you're gonna love it, this would be a good one to kind of test out. But look at how pretty those colors are, like that peach and the brown. Yeah, so that's the only one that broke, but those guys are really thick. So I guess the other vendors though, because I think those were like 8 something and the other vendors are a lot thinner, and I think hers are like 4 something. So the samples I got were Sage Pomegranate. Actually, I should smell this because that one sounds kind of interesting. I've never liked pomegranate. I don't know why. Ooh, okay, that's very herbal. That's very herbal, but I don't hate it. Sage Pomegranate. I don't get any pomegranate though. I smell mostly like earthy herbal. So there's that. And Christmas Bliss, which I'm sure people might know it if they ordered around Christmas time, but oh yeah, that's definitely like a pine tree, Christmas tree scent. Yeah, it smells like an oil I've smelled before. So I did get 2 samples, which is very nice, because this is just one order. So, you know, sometimes you don't know like what you're getting as far as samples. And like I said, everything was wrapped in this paper. So, all right, I have quite a few hauls coming up. I have my warm reviews to do. I have a melting basket I need to put together. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. I'm trying to think of what that is. I don't know. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon.